Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you this video on how you can boost your credit scores with this primary trade line, and there's no hard inquiry and no credit history is needed. Now, if you're trying to get that new apartment, that new car, or that new home, this is a great trade line that you can add on to increase your credit score to meet your credit goals. Now, if you're new to my channel is designed to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, hit your notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, at my website, I give you a free hard inquiry removal package because hard inquiries can get you denied for credit. I also have other removal packages for purchase to remove your negative items. Now, if you need these downloads, you can get these always in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. So let's jump into this information. Now, this is the Arro credit card, and the great part, you can build your credit with this credit card without a security deposit. And this is great for those who are trying to rebuild their credit or who have no credit history. You can get this card as a primary trade line with no hard pull. They only do a soft pull credit check that would not impact your credit score. Now, with this card, there is no credit history needed, and you can get approved in minutes. All they need to do is verify your proof of income and your identity. You can get credit, apply in 5 minutes or less, and no credit history is needed to be qualified for this credit card. Arro is designed to help you learn credit, master your money and in-app activities and challenges that will set you up for success and earn credit, unlock higher credit limits, lower interest rates, and other rewards as you level up. Now, this is a credit card, so it's a line of credit that will help your credit utilization. Now, with that, it will help increase your credit score. Now, with this card, the initial starting limit is up to $200, but you can go all the way up to a $2,500 limit over time. This will help boost your credit scores because they will report your payment history to all 3 credit bureaus, and they also are reporting a line of credit, and credit utilization is 30% of your credit score, which makes up the second largest factor of your score. And for people who have less than 6 revolving credit accounts, that's considered a thin credit profile, and you can be denied for credit. So with this is a great opportunity to add this credit line without the hard inquiry that can decrease your credit score by 3 to 5 points. Now, here are some frequently asked questions. Do I qualify for an Arro card? Anyone can apply for an Arro card as long as they meet the following requirements. Be a U.S. citizen or resident with a SSN or ITIN. Be over 18 years old. Have a valid account with a U.S. financial institution. What information do I need to sign up? You need to provide your name, resident address, no P.O. boxes, phone number, email address, ID number, and date of birth. In some cases, we may also request documentation to confirm your identity, but we only ask if completely necessary. Will you run a credit check? Arro will perform a soft pull only to help establish your baseline credit history. A soft pull does not impact your credit score. Do I need a certain credit score to apply? Nope. Your credit score has no impact on Arro's approval process. Our model uses alternative data such as your income to assess eligibility. Now, with the Arro card, you do need a smartphone because it is a mobile-only platform. Arro members have real-time access to view their credit and account information conveniently through their mobile device. But when you're accessing Arro, the requirements are a mobile phone number and plan provided by a mobile carrier in the US and a mobile phone that supports the Arro app. So you have to have either the Apple Store or the Google Play Store descriptions for certain specifications. There is a membership fee in order to use the Arro card. It's $1 per month for the first year and $3 per month thereafter. And as a member, you do get access to account monitoring, financial education activity, insight tools for tracking your spending, and additional rewards through the Arrows program. There is some income requirements for this card, and the requirement is that you make over $1,000 per month and maintain a recent positive bank balance. So make sure that you do have that before you sign up. Now, approval isn't guaranteed, but it's an instant approval, and the application only takes 5 minutes. So for this is good for those who are trying to build credit and you want no credit check, no security deposit, and no impact to your credit score for applying. And you can get that instant approval, and it reports to all 3 major credit bureaus. So hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, just leave your comments in